anochi gran anochi para nós de Eagle Aruba e também de Double Down. Pois a anochi nós está bezig com os corporate clients. Nós invitamos a anochi para assim nós oferecer uma noite ameno e também para conhecer nosso produto novo, que é produto novo nanta aqui é ballroom, que recentemente ano passado nós inauguramos. E para dar token de appreciation, no? Para nós bisnan danki para o suporte de gente ano 2024 e isso que nós está indo já acaba para 2025. Double Down está número 1 agora que nanan den loquata sports bar na Aruba local nan sa acaba preciso na una nan tawag ng sport favorito e também obviamente nos guests nan ko também visitar nós está aí de toda parte do mundo e na sa kita é lugar onde nan ta hangout. Na Double Down nós temos specials de jaluna para pierna, lunch special, sa kita começa de 19 mainta teco 3 horas da tarde e toda a tarde de 5 para 7 nós temos $10 to Florence na loquata nos happy hours den nos loquata nos drinks.
2024 is one of the record years for the island in general, and our property also did extremely well for the year, both in good new tourists and our current repeat customers coming back all the time. 25 started out on a great high note as well. January through March were fantastic. April, now we're seeing a little bit of a settling down with the economic changes in the U.S. impacting the tourism there slightly, not too bad, but starting to see a little cool off. Plus we had a few more hotels open up on the island, so piece of the pie is spreading around a little bit. The hotel is very diverse to everybody. For example, our pools are set up so that you can have family on one end with a water slide pool, in the middle is an adult-only pool, and in the far end's a nice, relaxing, quiet, peaceful area for everybody to enjoy. So kind of a little bit of everything to all worlds, but family and children are one of the items that we kind of focus on, and we have a lot of larger rooms that can keep the family together, 2 or 3 bedroom suites, and they can enjoy each other's company in the living room, they can cook together, they can really relax and have a good time. Always have specials July and August, right before everybody goes back to school. So look at our website and you'll be able to see what's going on with our best rates for the local at that time. We love our locals. Again, I'm basically a Aruban now myself, been married and living here for 17 years. Aruba is all about family and hospitality and the people from Aruba. So everybody is welcome, and we look forward to have them as soon as we can, July to August, when the school breaks out, have the whole family come in.